Okay? The first one, basic type of stress is kapag nagkakaroon ka na ng headache. The usual headache, sir. Kumbaga, sir, yung effect sa'yo ng stress, sumakit na po sa'yo physically. Okay? The next one, meron na pong for some cases, in some cases, experience fatigue. Yung sobrang pagod kahit wala pa naman silang ginagawa. And the third one, nangyari po, lumalabas sa katawan, nagkakaroon ng kati-kati, nagkakaroon ng mga spotting, okay, wherein resulting to nagko-convert ang stress, okay, into a body or physiological symptoms. May tawag po dyan, sir, parang conversion disorder. May mga ganun cases. Pag nasa stress sila, sir, lumalabas po sila ng katawan, nagkakaroon ng yun nga, sir, kati-kati, nagkakaroon ng physical effect wherein ito po yung mga quite alarming, and even something nangyayari doon sa physical nila, individuals become mga tendencies that they will be doing self-harm na because of the stress, okay, wherein nagkakaroon ng self-induce, okay, or self-harm sa sarili. Those are the things na kailangan po natin mas maging aware.